Hey guys, Mike from Ophelia's Bluevine Farm. Recently, I had a chance to tour the farm of Bob and Deborah Ford in Kansas City, Kansas. It was an awesome experience. Check it out.
Hello.
Good morning, you two. I got Mike back out here again, but I've been got Mr. Jones we've been looking for 6 months. He's going to come in and help us on the farm.
Yes.
Well, Mr. Jones is got farming. He's out of Missouri. He's a farmer, and we're gonna get him started on this tractor. We're gonna get back with him. We're gonna make some rolls, some sweet potato rolls this morning.
Wee.
So, Mr. Jones, you got something to say? Are you happy to be aboard? Or
I'm happy to be aboard. I'm around some amazing men, and it's a beautiful thing to get out here and do this work. It's a privilege to be around Mr. Bob and Mike and his son. I just love every minute of gardening. This is what I do. I was born to do this, and I love every minute of it.
So this is what it is. Mike, he's gonna kick us through everything. And I'm retiring, and I'm turning the farm over to Mike and Mr. Jones.
Yes, sir.
Take a breath, it's summer, summer. Sleep with windows open and then begin again. Make it last as long as you can. Make the sunlight your best friend. Sleep with windows open and then begin again. Take a breath, it's summer, summer. Take a
Okay guys, wow, it's starting to rain, so we're gonna put the camera up, but I think I kind of got it. Need a little bit more work on the tractor, the clutch thing, the gas thing, the gear thing. We need to work on that. What an awesome time I had at the farm of Bob and Deborah Ford in Kansas City, Kansas. And thank you again for having me out, and look forward to working with you and your farm this year in 2023. All right guys, I'm Mike at Affiliates Bovine Farm. I'll see you in the next video.